So today we're going to be doing trig-definite integrals with FTC. So our problem is the integral from pi over 16 to 11 pi over 24 cosecant 4x cotangent 4x dx. So we're going to have to do u substitution, so u equals 4x, du equals 4 dx after we do the derivative, and we don't have a 4 dx in our equation, so we're going to have to put it onto the other side, so 1/4 du equals dx. So after we do that, we're going to plug in our u's into our equation, which gives us, and we're going to put the 1/4 out in front, 1/4 the integral from pi over 4 to 11 pi over 6. The reason why our numbers changed is because we plugged in our original pi over 16 and 11 pi over 24 into 4x to give us these numbers. So we're going to have cosecant of u, cotangent of u, du. So now we're going to take the integral, which is going to give us big F of u, 1/4 bracket, and after we do the integral, which is going to give us cosecant of u and bracket from the bar of pi over 4 to 11 pi over 6. We're still in with u substitution, so our numbers are not going to change from pi over 4 and 11 pi over 6. So now we're going to plug in our x, so it's going to be big F of x equals 1/4 bracket cosecant 4x with the bar from pi over 16 and 11 pi over 24. The reasons why our numbers changed is because we are using x now. So now after this step, we're going to do FTC, so the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is going to equal 1/4 bracket cosecant of 4 times 11 pi over 24 bracket minus cosecant of 4 parentheses pi over 16 end bracket. So after you do that, we're going to plug in our 4 into the 11 pi over 24 and the pi over 16. So we're still going to have our 1/4 out in front. So cosecant of 11 pi over 6 minus cosecant of pi over 4. Close bracket. So after we do this, we're still going to have our 1/4 out in front, but we're going to use our unit circle and our special right triangles, which is going to give us 1/4 -2 minus radical 2. And once this is we're almost done, which we're going to put in our 1/4 into the problem, which is going to be -2 minus radical 2 over 4. And that is the answer to the integral. So this is how you do trig-definite integrals with FTC.